Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to send Bitcoin from Zengo wallet. For that, make sure you already have the application on your device and you're logged into your account. Before entering, make sure to enter your passcode or enable your Face ID. Now you will be led to this home page. At the bottom, you can see two arrows facing upward and downward icon. Tap over there. Now at the second, you can see the option send. Tap over there. You can only send Bitcoin if you have enough funds. Here you can see that I don't have any assets or funds, but I will guide you through the process. After you tap on the send button, you will be prompted to the screen where you can enter the amount to send in your preferred currency. After that, enter the address where you want to send the Bitcoin. Now, before you complete the transaction, you will see a summary screen where you can review all the details before sending. And this is how you send Bitcoin from Zengo wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.